Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Welcome you for the Pratiksha Education Point. Today we are studying the 20 most important MCQ question. The first question is, what is the SI unit of the electric current is? Option A volt, option B ampere, option C ohm, option D watt. Correct answer will be ampere. Question number 2. Which instrument is used to measure electric current? Voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer, ohmmeter. The correct answer will be ammeter. Option B is correct. Question number 3. The SI unit of the potential difference is ampere, watt, volt, ohm. The correct answer will be volt. Volt is the SI unit of the potential difference. So option C is correct. Question number 4. Which instrument is used to measure the potential difference? Ammeter, voltmeter, ohm meter, battery. The correct answer will be voltmeter. Question 5. The SI unit of the resistance is volt, ampere, ohm, joule. Correct answer ohm. Option C is correct. The SI unit of the resistance is ohm. Question number 6. Ohm's law is represented by P is equal to V into I, V is equal to IR, E is equal to MC square, H is equal to I square RT. The correct answer will be B, V is equal to IR. Question number 7. 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt प्रति एम्पियर, 1 एम्पियर प्रति वोल्ट, 1 watt प्रति एम्पियर, 1 joule प्रति कूलम. Correct answer will be 1 volt प्रति एम्पियर. Question 8. The flow of electric charge is called resistance, voltmeter, current, power. The correct answer will be C. The flow of electric charge is called current. Question number 9. The commercial unit of electric energy is joule, watt, kilowatt hour, volt. The correct answer will be kWh, kilowatt hour. Option C is correct. The commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. So option C is correct. Question number 10. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 की power 6 joule, 360 joule, 1000 joule, 36 joule. Correct answer will be 3.6 into 10 की power 6 joule. Option A is correct. Question number 11. Resistance of a conductor depends on length, area of the cross section, material, all of these. The correct answer will be all of these. It means resistance of a conductor depends on length, cross section area of the conductor and the material. So that answer will be all of these. Question number 12. The SI unit of the electric power is option A joule, option B watt, option C volt, option D ampere. Correct answer watt. Question number 30. Electric power is given by A. P is equal to VI, V is equal to IR, R is equal to V upon I is equal to V upon R. The correct answer will be A. P is equal to VI. Question number 14. Which material is good conductor of electricity? Rubber, plastic, copper, wood. The correct answer will be copper. Copper is a material which are good conductor of the electricity. For given examples. So option C is correct. Question number 15. The filament of an electric bulb is made of copper, aluminum, tungsten, silver. The correct answer will be tungsten. The filament of the electric bulb is made of a tungsten. Question number 16. In a series circuit, the current is different everywhere, same throughout, 0, infinity. The correct answer will be in the series circuit, the current will be same throughout. Question number 17. In a parallel circuit, the voltage across each branch is different, same, 0, infinity. The voltage across each branch is same. So option B is correct. Question number 18. The heating effect of current is given by Joule's law, Newton's law, Ohm's law, Faraday's law. Correct answer will be Joule's law. Which fuse wire has a low melting point? Copper, aluminum, alloy of tin and lead, silver. The correct answer will be alloy of the tin and lead. Last question. The reciprocal of the resistance is called conductance, voltage, power, energy. The correct answer will be the reciprocal of the resistance is called conductance. So option E is correct. Thank you so much. Nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video.